In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Steam games to another hard drive. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Steam, then go to the top left and select on Steam right over here. Then go ahead and press on the option that says settings. Then go ahead and select over here where it does say storage. Then in the top, it will actually tell you your available storage on your local drive. However, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on that, and then we need to go ahead and add a drive. So go ahead and add the drive that you're trying to move your games to. So I actually do have an external hard drive connected to my computer. So I'm just going to be pressing on add drive, and then there you go. It is right over here. And let's go ahead and press on add. But if you have more than one drive, then they should appear over here. And all you got to do is press on the correct one. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on add, just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and select one of these applications to move. For this video, I'm going to be moving Wallpaper Engine. So all you want to do is you want to select on it. Then go ahead and press on this button that says move. And then move content to. And then go ahead and select on the hard drive that you're trying to move the content to. So once you have everything confirmed, go ahead and press on this button that says move. And now it will begin to move your Steam app to your hard drive. And this is incredibly useful, especially if you're running out of storage or something like that. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.